Welcome back to Crypto Zombies. We're in Chapter 5, Structs. It says, sometimes you need a more complex data type. For this, Solidity provides structs. Here we have a struct named person. It contains within it a uint named age and a string named name. Structs allow you to create more complicated data types that have multiple properties. Note that we just introduced a new type, string. Strings are used for arbitrary length UTF-8 data. Example, string greeting is assigned hello world. So basically it allows us to print like characters, numbers, as long as they're within these quote things. And of course we say that it's a string. So put it to the test. In our app, we're going to want to create some zombies, and zombies will have multiple properties. So this is the perfect use for a struct. Create a struct named zombie. Our zombie struct will have two properties. Name, which is a string, and DNA, which is an integer or unsigned integer to be specific. So we're going to create a struct named zombie right here where it says start here. I'm going to just go right under there, and we're creating a struct, and it's called zombie. And like they did there, we do curly braces, and within there we're going to give it a string name and a uint DNA. Let's see. Yep. So this should, within our ZombieFactory, create a struct named zombie, which will have a name and a DNA. Name being string, DNA being an integer. So let us run this. We did a pass. The important thing to take from this is that we are introduced to creating a structure or a struct, which to me seems a lot like an object that has information of that thing. Here it being zombie. In our example, it was person, and we give that struct information of itself that it will have. But that's pretty much it for this lesson. We still haven't went too deep into other things, so I'm gonna just keep it at that. But I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Make sure to share, like, subscribe if you find these videos helpful. I'm sure other people will benefit as well. But I'll see you guys then.